Printify tutorial for beginners, how to make money on Printify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking in great detail about Printify and how you can use this absolutely amazing and terrific platform. Okay, so to start things off with Printify, what you are going to be doing is you're going to come over to printify.com, and once you're in printify.com, you can see the very user-friendly interface, create and sell custom products, higher profits, robust scaling, best selections, and a whole lot of other plethora of things. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead into start for free. Okay. Now, once you click on start for free, it takes you into the registration process, which is pretty simple. Okay. So the registration process asks you for your email password. So that is exactly what we're going to go with. Now I have my email and I'm just going to enter it over here. Once you've entered your email, it's going to ask for a password. That is also something that I'm just going to enter. Make sure to enter a password that you remember perfectly, and then just go on I'm not a robot. Now, while we're signing up, let me explain what Printify actually is. Printify is actually one of the best dropshipping, printers out there. And what they do is they allow you to print, any type of design on products and then dropship them to your stores. And the best thing about this is that you can actually ask audiences to print something. And once you print them on the product, you can gain a lot of profit off of it. So it's pretty incredible. So to start things off, it asks us the big questions. What describes you best? I'm going to go with that. I'm a social media influencer. What is your main objective? Start my first online business. What would you like help with? If you want help with anything, just go with it. I'm just gonna go with I'm just exploring. How did you find out about Printify? Just go with anything. I'm gonna go with YouTube in this case. And once you go with that, it's gonna bring you here. So thank you for your time. What would you like to do now? Order a sample, connect your store to Printify, or start designing. I'm gonna go browse products in the Printify catalog. Now, the three things that we just read, pretty incredible, right? So you can order a sample for yourself. That's the first best thing about Printify because, like, just imagine, like, if there's a product that, or there's a dropshipper or a vendor that you're, hiring for new workings, you can actually test them out by ordering a sample product. And you can order the sample product for, I don't think they take a lot of cost out of it. Like it's $2 or $4, which is pretty incredible. So you can use that as a sampler to help you, actually get familiarized with Printify. Then moving on, this is your Printify dashboard. Over here, you can connect your stores and stuff. So to connect your stores, first of all, you're going to go into store settings, and over here, you're going to set a store for yourself. I'm just going to keep it on my new store. And then once you've gone with my new store, you're going to go on Printify Connect. And basically, if you have the premium Printify plan, you can connect it to any dropshipper store that you have, which, makes things pretty easy and pretty fun to work with. Then moving on, what you can do is, let's say we're going to come to dashboard. This is your basic dashboard. And over here, you can see all your analytics for your Printify. Now, when it comes to actually making something or printing something, let's say I'm going to go in men's clothing and I want to, what would be better? It's the winter season, and a lot of people start wearing sweatshirts or hoodies in the winter season. So obviously, you can start editing or start printing on these products. So let's say I'm going to go with this, very basic unisex heavy blend crew neck t-shirt. I'm going to go with that, or sweatshirt, sorry. And once we've gone with this, what you're going to do over here, Printify Choice, the best available option based on price, quality, and speed. Over here, you can see the price of the product. You can see the shipping price of the product. And then you can see the production time. So it only takes 1 day to create your product, which is pretty incredible. You can also get a hefty discount with Printify Premium. So I would recommend going with a premium plan. But yeah, moving on, what you can do is, first of all, check it's about, ideal for any situation. A unisex heavy blend crew neck sweatshirt is pure comfort. These garments are made from polyester and cotton. This combination helps designs come out looking fresh and beautiful. The collar is ribbed knit, so it retains its shape even after washing. So there are no itchy side seams on these sweaters, which is pretty incredible. Great feature to have. And then you can see the key features. So it has no side seams, rib knit collar, and a whole lot more. So to design it, you're going to go ahead and click on Start Designing. And I'm just going to keep it on the white design over here. Now on the design, you can add any type of design you want. You can add your own custom text. You can have an AI image generator add something. And then there's custom text. You can add your own image, Shutterstock, Google Drive. You can hire a professional on Fiverr to design something for you. It's all in the bag with this. So let's say, first of all, I'm going to go with some image generator and I want to create a prompt. So let's say I want to make this look a lot like let's go with digital art. And I'm going to go with illustration of, you know, a an abstract design made in, let's say, 14th century. You could add prompts like it could be aesthetic. Just go with whatever's in nowadays. You could go with space, etc., etc. Once you do that, you're gonna click on generate image, and once you click on generate image, it's gonna give different images according to the design you've put in. So you get 14 daily attempts, which is pretty incredible. So let's see the illustration of an abstract design. So as you can see, this is your abstract design. And let's say I want to go with this. This one looks pretty nice, looks pretty funky. So once you add that, it's going to adjust that whole design into this box you can see. And you can actually set the scale width and height according to whatever you want. Let's say I'm going to increase the size. And don't worry about the quality. It's going to set it accordingly because, that's what Printify does best. It, adjusts everything according to the design output. And there you go. And make sure to keep it in these boxes because that is the region it's going to print in. It's not going to print it in or out of this. So once you do that, that's pretty much how you're gonna, do that. And you can select the colors you want the sweatshirt in. You can also edit things on the back side. Like, let's say on the back side, I'm gonna add a design of some custom text. So we can add, you know, varsity. Then you can add 2029. Let's say, just add some cool text that you want to. I'm gonna centralize it, bring it in the center like that, and then you can obviously change the font. Obviously, I'm gonna go with a more funkier font. This one doesn't really seem too good, so I'm gonna go with a funky font. And once you go with a different font, you can make it bold. You can add different colors, and then once you've done all of that, from there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on Save Product. And once you click on Save Product, what you're gonna do is, yeah, you're pretty much good to go from there. So really easy, really significant stuff. Just click on Save Product, export the product, ship it, and that is how you can use Printify for yourself. Now, just choose your, you can actually see the design, how it's going to look on people. If it looks too overpowering and looks too big on the models, you can make it smaller if you want to, or, change the orientation of the design. But yeah, you can then, create its name, its description, choose all the variants, connect to a store, and from there on out, yeah, basically you're good to go. And you can connect to any store provider you have for your drop shipping, Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, or you can add API for, WordPress or stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So that is how you can use Printify. That is how simple it is. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.